This video will show you how to create envelope text as in monograms, logos, or other artistic applications. After selecting the Envelope Text tool, you are directed to first create the lower boundary of your text object and hit Enter to end the curve. Left clicks create curved nodes and right clicks create straight ones. Then create the top boundary starting at the left until you complete the shape using the grid as a guide. The completed envelope is displayed in the hoop. Enter the text you would like to fill the shape. You may use any of the built-in fonts or Windows TrueType fonts if you've purchased and activated that add-on. The shape of the envelope may be changed by moving any of the existing nodes to a new location. Right-click on a node to delete it or change it to a straight node for sharp angles. The Envelope Text tool allows you to create many unique text-style embroidery designs.